In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a workspace in Notion. So for this, just open up any of the workspace, then click on the three-dot menu over here, which is the sidebar option. From here, you'll find the workspaces. Just click on the name, then just go to the settings. From here, you'll find the general settings. This is the general settings of the workspace. Then just scroll down, scroll all the way down, and you'll find a danger zone here. It says delete workspace. This says delete the workspace, permanently delete this workspace, including all pages and files. You can learn more about the workspace deletion, or you can simply click on delete workspace, which is gonna delete your workspace. So if you want to delete your workspace, just click on this red button. But be careful, all the pages and files will be deleted as well. So if you're sure, just click on it. After that, you can read this warning. Delete this entire workspace permanently. Be sure that this action cannot be undone. This is permanently delete the workspace, including all the pages and files. Please make sure to type the name of this workspace to confirm. So just type the name of the workspace over here and click on permanently delete the workspace. And that is going to delete the workspace for you. And basically, that is how to delete workspace in Notion. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.